share with you. This is the view from our room. It's an open air balcony at the ground level. Have you ever felt that you are getting comfortable and it's about time to change? So that's my friend practicing her video log, Jane Sasikala. What we have gained from here is the ability to stay in a room with somebody that is even new, and that is getting used to strangers. You know, even in our own country, we won't be staying in the same place, right? So this is what we are learning to do as a tribe, to mix with people from different race in the same room. And it just shows how Singapore culture helps us to get along. You know, even when we are overseas, we can even blend with each other. So don't be afraid. When I was in the sales line, it's always the rah-rah kind of thing. The convention makes you hype up and you feel like, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. And then when you go back, you say, I wait until another day to start, or another day, and another day, and end of a week or a month. You realize nothing's get done, right? So that's the challenge. After you go for convention, you meet up with people. The only difference in this convention, because it's organized by your own tribe, even in the convention you already can start testing your ideas. Like, I'm trying to see how I can do coaching, how I can present an idea, or what I have a skill that I can share with the members. And there was a few take-ups, about 5 or 6 people. It's too long to wait 1 year to do another convention. I probably will start a small one back in my area and see how it can improve from there. And I hope if you go to convention, this is what you should need to look out. If you're in sales convention, try to pitch something to even your fellow members, your fellow participants. If it works, that means it's good, right? So you don't need to wait until you return, or 1 week later, or 2 weeks later, or even never finish what you have thought about when you started here. Kartini Sabtu here from Gold Coast.